Welcome to a video on graphing exponential functions using WAMAP. So when you graph an exponential function on WAMAP, all you need is 2 points that would be on the exponential curve. And you can see down below there's a little indicator, there's one red dot there and a red dot there. And so if you click on this, and then it'll allow you to put points on there, and if you put a couple points on, that'll give you the graph, and then you can check and see if it's correct, which that's not, because I just randomly put points on there. So you can go down here if you made a mistake or something, you can hit clear all and then start over again. So let's do this correctly, however. So if we take and do a little bit of before we get started, let's draw on this. So we will make a table, and since we only need 2 points, we need an x value and a y value. We will put quick easy value for x when you raise a power to the x is the exponent is 0. That is pretty easy to calculate, because any number other than 0, that is, any number to the 0 power is 1. So something you probably ought to memorize is that anything to the 0 power is going to give you 1. So just write a to the 0 equals 1. Now, that as long as it's not 0. 0 to the 0 is what we call indeterminate. So a is any number other than 0. But if a to the 0 is 1, then 5 times 3 to the 0 power is equivalent to 5 times 1, which is 5. And then, of course, another simple value to plug in here is just 1. That would be 5 times 3 to the first power. And any number to the first power is just that number itself. So that would be 5 times 3, which is just 15. So those are our two points. And now we'll go back and we'll click on this dot. We want to have, we lost our points, but it was 0, 5 would be right here. And then 1 and 15 would be right here. We plot those points, and that's all there is to it. So again, make a set of ordered pairs, make a table, let x be 0, maybe x be 1, or whatever, for something as simple as this. Okay, I hope you found that video helpful.